guys, welcome back. This is our 5th day in Hong Kong.
तो गाइस सॉलिड ठंडी है, मतलब मेरे को ठंडी लग रही है.
Not starting with skyscrapers today. We are heading to Victoria Garden.
हाँ एक्चुअली सब लोग टेंट डाल के ऐसे बैठे हुए चिल मार रहे हैं ना.
And to our surprise, there was something interesting happening in the garden. I guess lucky to stumble upon this. Turns out we caught a performance of Rio Ponorogo from East Java, Indonesia. I think traveling का ये बहुत ही underrated aspect है. Basically जब आप unexpectedly अलग अलग cultures से रूबरू होते हैं. आज का दिन हम थोड़ा सा स्लो लेने वाले हैं because next 3 days are gonna be jam packed. Some quick lunch, quick shopping and then we are heading to Museum of Art. हमें आइलैंड क्रॉस करके कावलून साइड जाना था. The metro system is so good. In less than 30 minutes we were there. Here is a quick tip for local travel. Number 1, City Mapper app, MTR app which is metro app, and few symbols to know your transport.
Hey Vaishu, Museum of Art.
Hong Kong Museum of Art was established in 1960. It has over 19,500 items as art collection. You'll see a good contrast of arts here, like Chinese antiques, modern and Hong Kong art, China trade art, paintings and calligraphy. The good part is this is located at Victoria Harbour waterfront in Tsim Sha Tsui. So you can visit Avenue of Stars, light show, all this together. As we came out of the museum, the light show was just ending. So every night around 8 p.m. there is Symphony of Light which you can watch from here, which is Victoria Harbour. Post that we found 2 good places. One near Tsim Sha Tsui metro station. Here is a pub. That's the place. It's a very local bar. And the second one is called Joe Banana and it is near Central. This is also one of the party areas. This also looked like a very local good bar.
And that's the tram. And हम लोग जा रहे हैं
Victoria Peak and we are waiting for our van to come from there and finally we have figured it out. Hey, look at that one, heritage. I love the themes of these.
Yeah.
Like every tram has a different theme. It looks so vibrant and beautiful. पहले विक्टोरिया पीक ट्रैम के लिए रुकेंगे और फिर वहाँ से हम लोग ट्रैम.
I think अपनी ट्रैम आ रही है.
For public transport, you can just tap your Octopus card or even Neo card works. Here is a fun fact. For any ride you take in tram, the price is 3.3 Hong Kong dollars, which is equal to 36 rupees. Irrespective of the distance, every time you get in a tram, you will pay 36 rupees. I mean, this is really cheap. One more thing. Tram is only available at Hong Kong Island. I'm so amazed with the local transport of Hong Kong. It's so organized. And look at the way people follow the traffic rules. At the end, it's a joint effort from the government and by the people. After taking a tram and some walk, we are here to board another tram to reach Victoria Peak. And this is the view from Peak Tram. With this tram, we are going to cover a distance of about 1.4 kilometer with an elevation of 1300 feet. We are at Sky Terrace 428, which means we are literally on top of the city. Skyscrapers look like toys and the ocean stretches endlessly. This is the postcard shot. There are two viewing terraces, one is free and one is paid. And we planned our day in a way so that we can clearly have a good sunset. It is not a clear day, but we really saw a beautiful sunset. Here is a glimpse of it. If you're here, don't miss this beautiful place, the Peak Lookout, a beautiful restaurant. And it's time to head back. And on our way back hotel, we decided to take a ride at Hong Kong Observation Wheel, जो कि AIA Carnival पे था. So basically, this is at Central Harbourfront, Central Hong Kong में. It has 42 gondolas and you get around 15 minutes ride. हम लोगों ने कार्निवल पे वी जस्ट टुक फ्यू राइड्स एट द कार्निवल. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्ड लाइक and that was end of the day for us because tomorrow is 31st and we are heading home early today after a long, adventurous and tiring day. We are at LKF
on 31st night. So basically we're gonna spot some new basically we're gonna spot some happening places in LKF and हम लोग का पूरा प्लान है हॉप इन करने का.
Place is already lit. You can
Yeah.
see the crowd. मतलब full on. लोग dressed up हैं और बहुत सारे offers दिख रहे हैं. So we started our New Year celebration a little early. We were early at LKF so that we can just explore and pick where we want to go. Enjoy the evening, guys. Happy New Year.
This is the first thing of the night.
You have arrived.
You have arrived, Varshu.
Also exploring some hidden good bars.
Third, we are trying to understand their menu. It's like something
120 pages.
120 pages and it's different and we are little tipsy. We are little tipsy.
From this world.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year! टिल्लू माझा टिल्लू बघायचं तुम्हाला टिल्लू आवडलं माझा टिल्लू.
Party has just started, guys.
Put your fucking
I'm good. Look at you.
I'm done. Because I party like this, dude. So we are going to 7-Eleven. Get some water.
And that's a wrap from New Year night. Wish you all a very happy New Year. See you around. Where are we heading?
The Buddha.
We are heading to Buddha, which is on the third island where the airport is. Let's go. Our second last day in Hong Kong.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. The Falcon
50? Yeah. And after waiting for more than an hour in the line, finally it was our number to take the ride. This is Gongping 360 Skyrail. We have taken a ticket for Crystal Cabin, which is basically, it has glass at the bottom also. So you can have good bottom views also. The price for this cabin was 3,500 per person return fare. This is half an hour beautiful ride across the mountains. I think हम लोग काफी mountains cross करके गए थे. You actually saw me and you ignored.
नहीं, मैंने तुझे देखा ही नहीं. तू तो टिल्लू से है. मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दिया मेरे को.
This is what you need to see. This is what we are here for. So the cable car ends here. This is Nongping village. And you will see many good shopping places around here, and you have to walk up till that mountain to take the steps up. These are a total of 268 steps which we have to take and reach to the top. This is a blend of serenity, scenic beauty and a little cardio. The atmosphere here is incredibly peaceful, and the views of the mountains and sea from the top are absolutely breathtaking. And standing 34 meters tall, the bronze Buddha sits calmly atop a lotus, facing north to watch over the Chinese people. And that would be our return journey. You can explore many souvenir shops, tea houses and restaurants and some other attractions just right at Nongping village. So basically visiting Big Buddha is one attraction, but this ride in itself is another thing to add to your list. Guys, you can easily keep half a day for this entire experience. And after 2 sets of rides, we are back to the kiosk we love. This is just to have quick bites before the next adventure. Guys, rooftop bars are our thing, so we again found one good place, and this is it. Cut to, we are here for our next adventure, which is pub crawl in Hong Kong.
I'm tonight host. My name is Jamie.
I'm Sue. Hi.
And today we have more than 20 people join us today. So happy, right? We are going to 3 bar and 1 club, and each bar will offer a welcome shot, and we'll stay an hour, and then we'll switch to another bar. So we are going to the first bar now.
This is our 3rd or 4th international pub crawl. We started it in Thailand. This is great fun. This night was just beautiful, exploring new places with new people, different nationality. Super fun. And what followed was just good times. I like this pub crawl. Not started with a high note, but I like how they are exploring.
You already reached. You came from tram.
Your kind of place.
Nothing much. Today is the last day और हम लोग ऐसे
Monster spot जा रहे हैं, Monster building spot जा रहे हैं. We're just covering one place today, which is Monster buildings, and उसके बाद थोड़ी सी shopping, क्योंकि कल सुबह हम लोग निकल रहे हैं. These trams have my heart, guys. मतलब I am just in love with this tram system. So these Monster buildings were just 4-5 station away by tram, like hardly 2-3 kilometers. I wish Mumbai में tram हो. है ना?
टाउन में अभी भी है उन लोग का
Track है. So guys, this is one of the most Instagrammed spots in Hong Kong, the iconic Monster building. This is in Quarry Bay. Tell you more about it. The Monster building is actually a complex of 5 densely packed residential blocks. This is a true reflection of urban density, history and raw architecture. Just look for Monster building on Instagram and you'll get the answer. There's still one last thing remaining, and the Hong Kong trip cannot be completed without which is Duckling Junk Boat Ride. So here we are at Victoria Harbour, Central Pier number 9, to take our cruise ride. They have many daytime and sunset cruise. They also have Symphony of Light cruise. We have taken a late evening post-sunset cruise because the night skyline of Hong Kong looks beautiful. Guys, this is must. You can even pick a sunset cruise and you can even do it more than once. Just check the weather and check the visibility. That will really change the entire thing. Enjoy the beautiful Hong Kong skyline. As our unforgettable journey through Hong Kong comes to an end, we leave with heart full of memories. It is definitely added to the list of cities I love. And until next time, whatever makes your soul happy, do that.